am sharing with you this entryway makeover, and I'll be sure to link all of the products used in the description box for you guys. I'm starting off with this West Elm console. I love their products because this wood is from a well-managed forest. It's also fair trade certified to ensure safe working conditions, so I love this wood piece. Again, it's meant to be a media console. I'm using it as an entryway table simply because it is going to provide me that extra storage I need. It has 3 drawers and then one shelving unit that opens that has 2 shelves. I also like the fact that when you open the back of the media console, you will see that there's actually a hole in the back so you can run cords through and it doesn't look like an eyesore in your space. So that is a piece that I'm starting off with. Next, I added in this industrial floor lamp just to give some lighting to my space. I love this particular piece. I've had it for a while now and it's from Target. It's very versatile. You can use it in a lot of different rooms in your space. I'm adding this art print that I got from Displate. It is meant to magnetically attach to the wall. However, I just leaned it over because I liked the look of it better and I could switch it out in the future. I'm adding a Joanna Gaines homebody book, but again, I mentioned in my last video, I definitely think it looks better without the cover, more aesthetically pleasing, so that is what I did here. It's just a really nice linen cover when you get it from Target. Believe it or not, H&M Home actually has some really great home decor pieces that look very expensive, but they're budget friendly, so that is where this vase is from. And then I just added in some faux dried plants that I picked up from Michael's a few years ago. Then I always like to add some sort of home fragrance to my entryway. For this one in particular, I'm using this Vitruvi oil diffuser. I absolutely love this little oil diffuser. It's perfect. You can wash it. It has a little light on it. I just think it's probably one of the best oil diffusers I have personally tried, so would highly recommend that piece. I've been loving this way more than having candles in my space lately. I wanted to keep this space really minimal as my entryway, but also wanted it to be a functional space that I could use for storage. So that is why I went with the media console piece. In general, they do have other pieces in this collection that offer less storage if that is of interest to you, but I really needed the extra storage. I don't like eyesores in my space. So that is pretty much all I did to create this little minimal entryway. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!